Hey folks, today I'm going to walk you through our new Grant Finder feature. You're looking at the main interface for Ordinal here, and we're looking at Willard's database, Willard, Missouri. But actually, it doesn't matter which town we're looking at for this feature. And I'll explain that in just a minute. So to get to the Grant Finder feature, you just look up here and you click beneath chat. On the Grant Finder has the little book icon there. It'll look just a little bit different for you. You won't see this upload CSV. This is just available to admin. But this is it. This is the main Grant Finder page. And the reason I said it doesn't matter which town we're looking at is because right now it's just looking through federal grants. We do plan to have more localized and state level filters in the future. But right now you just have this main search bar up here, and this is a semantic search bar. So we can type in the question, and actually I have one that was previously here. What educational grants are available, say for college, because actually, as I said, it's a semantic search. It's not just looking for keywords. Keywords will work, but it helps to have more information. The more information, the more likely you're going to find what you're looking for. So we can now look through a list of grants that it's come up with for us, and it has a federal Pell Grant here. And you can click on this eligibility tab to get more information about your eligibility. You know, it says eligible applicants for this grant are undergraduate students. So you can go through this list of grants, and you can also click visit, and it will take you directly to the grant. So this is going to take us to sam.gov. All of our grants are coming from sam.gov, so now we can go through and we can read about this specific grant, and we can see if this fits what we're looking for. I'll go ahead and take y'all back to Ordinal now, and let's see. We'll go ahead and search for another grant. So I actually found one that was related to Milford, Pennsylvania earlier, and I set this prompt up. But we're going to type in Milford, Pennsylvania, new park funding for construction and nature, focused on wooded areas and outdoor recreation. So if we search this, the top grant that comes up is this Gray Towers Cooperative Authorities. We can read here, you know, the Forest Service under the Department of Agriculture administers a program aimed at enhancing the recreational and educational resources of Milford, Pennsylvania and its surrounding areas. So this is the top grant to come up here for this specific prompt. You can see how this can be a valuable way, you know, a quick way to look through grants and find what you need. And in the future, as I said, we're going to add more localized options, so there'll be more filters to look for grants in your area, or to look for grants by different topics. So I hope this was a nice introduction to the new Grant Finder option. We're always open to feedback and suggestions, so please feel free to leave those in the comments. Thanks.